If you want more flowers in your hibiscus plant, look at this beautiful flower. It's flowering. This plant needs more and more sunlight in the morning. So the location should be a very sunny area. Once you bring it from a nursery, see that you locate it in an area where they get lots and lots of sunlight. That is the tip of growing hibiscus. If you can see and notice, these are the buds, and here also, and there are many more in this plant, and here also. Look at these buds. So if you want more and more buds in your plants, you will have to expose it to more sunlight. Seeds collection of Aparajita. Look at this. I have more Aparajita seeds, so you can save them and make many more plants, friends. So these are the seeds, and also do not go to overwater Aparajita. Check the soil and water, and need sunlight to flowering. If you want to use a fertilizer, use any organic fertilizer, vegetable peel, or you can use tea or coffee fertilizer. And also there are many more. You can use turmeric as a pesticide and keep the plant healthy. Being one of the hardy plants, low maintenance and a permanent plant, this plant does not need any care or fertilizer much. If you put it in a pot, a planter, you will have to take care of this plant by providing its watering and also checking the soil and also providing some sort of a fertilizer for the plant. But if you put it in the ground, this plant doesn't need much care at all. So watering also you can skip on daily basis, and this is one of the beginner gardeners flowering plant. Friends, welcome back. Today you will see some cutting and pruning of the beautiful Aparajita plant. Welcome to Tamara's garden, and we'll be doing some pruning and cutting of the Aparajita plant and let you know some of the details. This is a very hardy plant, doesn't need any care and also doesn't need much fertilizer, but if you put it in a planter or a pot like me, you will have to look after the plant very carefully because this is a creeper and also does need some support. So I have put it on this huge cement. You can see the concrete wall, so now it's going up and up, and it needs some pruning and cutting today. So let's do it, and also stay tuned until the end. You can take some garden soil and also some cocoa peat and sand for the soil mixture of the Aparajita plant, and there are a couple of videos that I have previously uploaded. I will put the link in the description. You can watch them with your time. This is my conch flower or Aparajita plant. As you can see, it's dried up. During these hot weathers, it's exposed too much to the sunlight, and there are many seeds in the plant as well. So today I'm going to do some cutting and pruning. You can grow them back with seeds. Now look at these seeds. These are the seeds, friends. So once they dried up, you can get more and more plants out of them. So these are the seeds, and this plant is totally dried up, all the branches. So to get more flowers in Aparajita, normally you will have to expose it to 5 to 6 hours of sunlight, and during the very warm weathers the plant itself gets dried up and these leaves are falling out. So what can you do? You'll have to shift it to an area where they will not get the evening sunlight, which is very warm. So once you break this open, you will see the seeds inside this. Look at these. You can grow them back with these Aparajita seeds. Let's do some cutting and pruning. First I'm going to do this stem pruning, which is good for the plant to grow back flowers, and I'm also going to cut and chop these dried leaves throughout the plant. From bottom to top I'll have to cut them and let the plant to regrow. Removing dried seeds also, you can support the plant so the energy doesn't waste on the dried seeds. If you keep them on the plant, It needs more and more strength for the plant to produce energy, for them to be more dried up in the plant. So better you remove them. And also when you get mature stems like this, you can grow these plants with the stem cuttings as well. So if you get Aparajita stem cuttings, if they are strong enough, you can grow them back with the stem cutting as well.